Welcome to ASIM Code. If you want to keep growing as a coder, hit like, subscribe, and keep up with all the tutorials I post. Assembly language working with strings, NASM x86. In this program we will define strings in memory, print a string using sys_write, modify a string, changing characters, find the length of a string manually. This is where we define our strings, initialized values. Our string null terminated. A new line character to format output. Here we reserve memory, uninitialized. Reserve 1 byte to store string length. This is where the execution starts. The entry point of the program. Printing a string. Printing a string in assembly is not as simple as printf, hello. We have to use the sys_write system call. Length of the string, manual count. Load address of the string into ECX. Standard output stout. Sys_write system call. Call Linux kernel to print the string. Print a new line for better formatting. New line length. Address of new line character. Sys_write system call. Print new line. Modifying a string, changing characters. Unlike higher-level languages, we have to manually change characters in memory by directly modifying their address. Change h in hello to lowercase h. Now, let's print the modified string. Length of the string. Load address of the modified string. Standard output. Sys_write system call. print the modified string. Print a new line. Finding the length of a string. There's no built-in string in assembly. So, we have to loop through each character manually until we find the null 0 character. Load the address of the string into ESI. Clear ECX. This will store the length. Load the current character. Check if it's the null terminator. If yes, stop counting. Otherwise, increase length counter. Move to the next character. Repeat the loop. Store the string length in memory. Exiting the program. Every program must exit properly using sys_exit. Sys_exit system call. Exit status 0, success. Call the kernel to exit. End of program. String successfully demonstrated. That's all for today. Please like, comment, and hit subscribe for more content.